shall strengthen your heart. All you who hope in the Lord, be of good courage.
I put my trust.
Deliver me in your righteousness. Bow down your ear to me, my rock. Be my rock of refuge, a fortress of defense to save me.
To save me.
For you are my rock and my fortress. Therefore, for your name's sake, lead me and guide me.
Lead me and guide me.
All you who hope in the Lord, hope in the Lord, and be of good courage. I cried out to you, you heard the voice of my supplications. Oh, how great is your goodness, which you have laid up for those who fear you.
Who fear you.
Which you have prepared for those who trust in you.
Who trust in you.
In the presence of the sons of men, you shall hide them in the secret place of your presence.
Blessed be the Lord.
Blessed be the Lord, for He has shown me His marvelous kindness.
His marvelous kindness.
All you who hope in the Lord, hope in the Lord, and be of good courage. But as for me,
I trust in you, O Lord.
I say you are my God. My times are in your hand. Oh, love the Lord,
all you His saints.
For the Lord preserves the faithful. But as for me,
I trust in you, O Lord.
I say you are my God. My times are in your hand. Oh,